the roads again for my vlog, and once I reach the destination I'll tell you where we are. But the road is again worth driving. Rains have trickled down to a drizzle. FASTag has really become fast now. Last time it had taken us a lot of time, there was a lot of traffic, but now I think there's been a lot of improvement and things are moving fast. So our first break at Food Highway, some stop for Vada Pav. So the drive towards our destination, this is on the Ahmedabad Highway of the Western Express route. We left and then we took on the highway. Greenery both the sides, a lot of rains, lots of greenery, less traffic, nice drive. So the drive, we are on a state highway and passing through the jungles. District is Palghar. This is fog country. We are passing through the clouds. Clouds, clouds, clouds. We are passing through the clouds. So I am at Jauhar today. So Jauhar is a town in Palghar district of Maharashtra, and it is round about 120-130 kilometers from Mumbai, wherever you stay, depending upon that. So this is the road to the palace. Again, it is closed because of COVID, so people are not allowed. But you can see the palace from here. I am not sure if you can see it properly, but some of it you can see. It's raining heavily. I am taking this video to bring it to you as much as is possible. The road is really good. The drive has been excellent. I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but it's raining very heavily. I think I'll have to return back to my vehicle because it's really pouring big. Depending on where you stay, Jauhar is more or less 120 to 140 kilometers from Mumbai towards Dahanu. So we started our descent from Jauhar, and this is the view that you get en route as you are about to come down. So you go down the hills and this is the view that you get. It's too good. It's just too good it is. Just too good. So our place for lunch. It's a food court. Let's see what all we can get. So it's just after Manor towards Bombay. Let's see. Let's check in what we get here. So there are lots of options. You have CCD. You have Kailash Sarovar, Queen's Chimney, Khana Khazana, Egg Sunday. But I suppose these are all closed, and McDonald's. These are all closed. So basically I think it boils down to CCD, Mac and Kailash Sarovar. Not bad considering the restrictions. Not bad. So my food, dal fry and butter naan with onion, pickles, nimbu. Simple. Got to travel back, so, and this is not a food blogging site, so simple food just to keep me going. So we are returning on our return journey. So today's visit to Jauhar was just sort of unplanned. We just moved out. It should be depending upon where you stay, it should be somewhere between 120, 140, 150 kilometers from Mumbai. Roundabout. You can also come from Nashik. It should be 80 to 100 kilometers. Obviously there are public vehicles. We took a private vehicle, we drove down, but then there are public vehicles available. You can take that. But yes, I'm going to come back again because we didn't explore Jawhar. We couldn't, basically. It was raining too heavily. Then there were restrictions for COVID, and we needed to stay there. So next time when I come back and cover, I will surely give you all the details about all this. So I sign up from here today. Let's wait for Hidden Indian again, exploring some such hidden place in India.